welcome back guys, VST here at Tech. Very short video on how to get the latest June crazy update guys. As you can see, this update is more than 2000 megabytes, 2220.62 megabytes, insane. Plenty of features, of course, I still need to discover them. This video is just to show you guys what you can do to get this today. Now, remember a while ago I did a video telling you how you can change your CSC to get the native call recording, right? Why is this relevant and how is it connected to getting the latest June update? Well, because my phone was still using the EUX CSC guys. I didn't get the update today. So what I had to do guys, I had to connect my phone and change my CSC to THL, which is for Thailand. Okay, now is there any risk involved? Might be guys, so if you want to do so, please do this on your own. I am just warning you, right? Probably nothing will go wrong, but just have something in mind. Now I want to go back from THL to EUX guys, but this is right now the only way that I know, at least, to get the latest update guys. And yeah, how can you tell? Well, in the portrait mode I now have the very much awaited 2x. How is that done guys? Well, I'm using the SamFW tool. Respect for those guys, there are real living legends. Once you download SamFW guys, you need to enable the developers option on your phone. It's very easy, check my video. You then need to connect your phone via ADB, I mean just connect it to the cable directly here to this SamFW. Then you need to go guys into ADB, and once you are in ADB, change CSC, but please watch my other video. Then you need to perform a command here on the dialer to enter test mode. It's gonna take you something like 2 minutes guys. Right now that's the only way that I know confirmed that you can get the latest Samsung S23 June. So much hype update right now and today. So thank you so much for watching guys. If you like videos like this, I am the first to bring you, so please support the channel, leave a like, share with your friends guys, stay safe, and VST over and bye.